Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today, in this video, I'll show you how to access any folders or subfolders directly from the taskbar in Windows computer. So, without further more delay, let's begin. So, right now you can see my Windows desktop screen, right? So you can see below I have a file explorer, right? So I can't access each and every folders and its subfolders directly from the taskbar by default, right? So for this, what you need to do, just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for one application named as Dire. So you can see here, and on the first list you will see the developer website. Just click on it. Now you can see on the right side, just below this release, just click on it and just scroll down below. Now you can see here one file, that is a .exe file. Just click on it to download this file. So the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click this application, click on yes. Now click on I accept the agreement and click on next to proceed with the installations. So finally we have successfully installed. Just click on finish and wait for a few seconds. So now you can see the application user interface, right? So you can see here tons of options. So you can see here below some icons like insert new file item, insert new folder item, insert new plugin item, and insert new partial folder item. So here we'll choose this insert new folder item. Just click on this. Now you can select any folder whichever you like. So let me just select a folder like program files. You can select multiple folders also. So right now I'll just select one folder and click on select folder, and you can give a name here, what you want to give a name. So I'll just give it the same name. And I will click on apply. So finally you can see the folder has been added. So now you can see here the folder is added. Now if you want to access it, you can just close this and just move your mouse cursor to the system tray menu here. As below you can see here, just click on it. You can see here one icon. Just right click on it and now you can see program files, and you can access all the program files directly from here. So you can see here, you can access each and every folder, subfolders that you have been selected under this application. So it just looks like the old Windows XP where you can directly access everything step by step in a 3-step format when we are using a Windows XP long time years ago, right? So this is the way how to access any folders or subfolders directly from the taskbar in Windows computer very easily. So, and if you want to do a backup also, you can do one thing. If you want to backup this settings, then you can click on here, instance, and now you will see here export. I'll select the location desktop. You can give a name, save. Now you can do a backup also. So if I delete this settings also, still I can reload it again just by clicking on this instance, and I can just click on import and I'll just select this backup file. So finally you can see we can restore back the settings also. So in my opinion, it's a very useful and tiny applications that you should definitely give it a try by yourself. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.